Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Nokia 3310 is powered and has at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Once done, press Menu and navigate to Settings, then to Connectivity or Profiles depending on model. You need the SIM inserted because flight mode blocks radios. Make sure the phone recognizes the card. Now focus on the first actionable step. Locate the flight mode or airplane mode entry in connectivity so you can change its. You now select the flight mode or airplane mode option displayed in connectivity. When you open it, choose off or toggle the switch to re-enable the phone's radio functions. This restores GSM and Bluetooth if applicable. If the option seems absent, open Profiles and select the default profile, which may contain the flight setting. Make sure to wait a few seconds after toggling. The phone must reinitialize its cellular radio before you check signal bars or make calls. You finish by confirming signal bars reappear and by making a quick test call or SMS to verify connectivity. If you still have no network, remove and reinsert the SIM, power off for 10 seconds, then reboot. This often forces registration with the tower. If that fails, check settings for a network mode selection and set it to automatic. Troubleshooting tip: if settings look corrupted, perform a factory reset only after backing up contacts, because that erases saved data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.